A CTO's role is a difficult balancing act. You're viewed as the tech person, but that's not all you do, is it? Or all that you're expected to do, or how you see yourself. As part of the executive team, you're expected to be a crucial part of moving your company forward. But because of your specialized role, the number of people with whom you can truly talk and share information or discuss your day-to-day frustrations and challenges are few and far between. At 7CTOs, we're changing that. Our mission is to professionally and emotionally enrich Chief Technology Officers by acting as a sounding board and providing a safe haven for CTOs around the world, regardless of their industry. Through monthly peer group forums, weekly expert talks, regional get-togethers, an annual member retreat, an extensive knowledge base of talks and articles, a global Slack channel for all members where you can get your questions answered from a group of your peers, a vetted service provider directory, complimentary assessments and audits of your existing systems and processes, plenty of opportunities to give talks, and even more opportunities for one-on-one calls with people who can help you get unstuck. We help you not only perform better inside your company, but give you the tools and the kind of supportive community you need to become a better leader. As a result, 7CTO's members are able to become world-class CTOs and leaders and save their company millions by saving time and making quicker informed decisions, expanding revenue through faster innovation, and by incorporating feedback from experienced peer groups, growing and retaining their emotional intelligence and leadership ability, and learning to protect their companies against harmful attacks and new legislation. If you're interested in knowing more about 7CTOs and feel we're a good fit for you, schedule a call with us today at 7ctos.com/call.